your fan clutch is going bad. First, you can wiggle to see if there's any movement on the fan. Second, spin the fans and see if there's any frictions. If the fan spins freely, then meaning that your fan clutch is going bad. And third, loud noise. Every time you step on the gas, because as the engine revs up, it spins faster and making unnecessarily loud noise. So now I'm gonna show you how I change my fan clutch. So to begin, I'm gonna remove this plastic intake tube out of the way by unbolt this 8mm bolts here and one here at the manifold. Here I'm using a flat screwdriver, but you can also use an 8mm socket if you prefer. It's loose. So just take that off. It should come right off. So in order to take this plastic shroud fan cover off, there should be two 10mm bolts right here. One's right here and one's right here, but this plastic piece is broken off. So also there should be one plastic rivet right here, another plastic rivet right there, and on the other side there should be one plastic rivet right here, also one down there, and this cover should come off. Here I'm using the fan clutch pulley holder that I rented from the auto store. There are different types of pulley holders. For this particular one, it doesn't come with the teeth, so I have to customize it with the simple nuts and bolt to fit my pulley. Here are some of the pulley holder tools. I suggest using an adjustable pulley holder tool that has teeth, so that it can grab on the pulley holes. So here it's kind of hard to see the pulley holes, but once you locate the pulley holes, all you gotta do is line up the two teeth with the pulley holes, and using your 36mm wrench, turn counterclockwise. You might want to use a hammer to hit it like I'm doing here. So if you don't have this tool, instead of buying it, because most likely you're just gonna use it one time, you can just rent it from most auto parts stores. I will also link this tool and the pulley holder tools in the descriptions if you decide to go and buy it. So now back to loosening the nuts. Once you hit it a couple of times, you should have a feel when the nut is loose. And when it's loose, you can just turn the fan counterclockwise with one hand to support and the other hand to turn, because they're gonna spill off, and without supporting, it will most likely crack or damage your fan blade. So it's good to have one hand supporting and the other to turn. So now with your fan blade and clutch out, using a 13mm socket, I'm gonna unbolt these 4 bolts attached from the fan blade to the clutch itself. Here I'm using a handheld power impact for easier removal. It. Now that you detach both fan blade and clutch, you will want to compare the old clutch to the new one and see if they are identical. A lot of time when you get an aftermarket clutch, they are slightly different, but that's okay. Now I'm just gonna reassemble and attach the new clutch to the fan blade with the 4 13mm bolts. So now we're just gonna put back in. Okay. Using our wrench again. 36. Just gonna tighten it up. Just wink this a couple of times. So here is an example of a previous worn out clutch. Notice how it spins freely. And here is an example of a new fan clutch. Notice the resistance differences. Now I'm just gonna reassemble. First I'm gonna put this plastic shroud fan blade cover in. And if you have those plastic rivets, you could bolt them back, but this one doesn't have it, so I'm just gonna zip tie this. There's one right here and one right here, but it got broken off. So same thing with the other side that you got. I'm just gonna make sure that want to hook onto that. You got one right here and one down there, and you should be good. And there should be two hooks, bolts right there, but this one is broken off too. So is this one, and you're done. Put back your intake. Okay, now we're just gonna put the plastic intake back. So, good. And there you have it, guys. I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, please consider like and subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos like this.